So recently I installed the sexy strip in my legacy Tesla Model Y, and one of the issues I found with it is it's falsely detecting vehicles in the blind spot at night. And what it's doing is it's detecting when vehicles are coming towards me, and as they pass the car it's then flashing red on the LED strip indicating vehicles in my blind spot, but they're not, they're going the other way. And it only does it at night. And obviously the issue is coming from the Tesla, not from the strip, because it's using data from the Tesla. So for a brief second, as a car comes the other way and passes the back of, or the side and back of the car, the Tesla is saying, oh, there's a vehicle in the blind spot. And the sexy strip is detecting that and flashing red for a very split second. And that flashing red can get a bit annoying at night because it's extra bright. To be honest, it's not a big problem. The day I fitted the sexy strip, I went for a drive when it was dark, like it's getting dark now. And I pulled out of the drive and the first 8, 9 or 10 cars that passed made the strip flash. And I thought, well, this is crap. But then since then, it hasn't done it very often. It probably does it about 1 in every 20 cars that pass. But obviously when cars are really in your blind spot, moving in the same direction as you, it works fine. So I spoke to Enhanced about it via email, and they hadn't heard of this and they wanted some video footage. So that's what I'm going to try to do in this video. So at the moment, under normal driving conditions, I've got the sexy strip set up that it's emitting a purple light. So what we're looking out for is a flash of red light on this side, the right hand side. But here we are, passing these cars coming the other way. It's not doing it at all. So maybe it's not dark enough. I don't know. I was on the same bit of road and it did it about 8 times in a row. But it was darker than it is now. It's currently 8 minutes to 5. So the camera is probably making it look darker than it really is, because my camera isn't great in the dark. But I'll just keep driving up and down this road for a bit to see whether I can capture any of this on film. But of course it's sod's law, isn't it? We're now passing loads of cars coming the other way and it hasn't flashed once. So I don't know what the difference is, whether it was a different speed, different light, but I was on the same bit of road. Possibly the gap between me and the cars in front. I have tried driving a little bit nearer the white line, like now. Don't want to drive too close, but it's still not doing it. So I don't know why it did it a lot initially and why it still does it occasionally when other times it's performing spot on. So clearly I'm not going to be able to capture any of these false notifications on the strip this evening because it's playing ball. It's working exactly as it's meant to. But I would be interested to know if any other owners of the sexy strip have experienced this. Let me know in the comments below. It's weird because as soon as I installed the sexy strip, I drove along this exact bit of road with about the same amount of traffic on, and the sexy strip went flash, flash, flash for about the first 8 cars that I passed. Yet now I cannot replicate that. So I just can't work out what the difference is. And obviously the sexy strip is getting this data from the Tesla, so I do wonder whether the Tesla has had an over-the-air update since. I'll have a look at the data because I keep a record of when I update the Tesla. I don't think it has. I think it's on the same software version, but I'll confirm that on the screen. But I've been driving up and down this road this evening to make this video, and it hasn't wrongly flashed at all this evening. So I think I'm going to post this video anyway, just so I can get some feedback from any other Sexy Strip owners to see whether they've experienced this issue. So this video has been a bit of a non-event really. It's a shame I can't replicate it and show you the issue, but primarily the point of the video was really so I could submit it to Enhance to show them the actual problem. But until I can capture it on film, I obviously can't show them anything. And the times it does do it, which is fairly rare now, I would say, well, I did say 1 in 20, didn't I, or 1 in 25? I've already proved this evening it's less than 1 in 50. But the odd time it does do it, of course I don't have the camera rolling at the time. So anyway, I'll leave it there, and if you have experienced this issue, do write in the comments, because I will share this video with Enhanced anyway, because I'm in a dialogue with them now. And it may well help when they improve the product with a future over-the-air update. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus, of course, subscribe if you're not. There's the super thanks button if you'd like to go further, especially if a video has saved you time or money. There's over 1,200 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use a search, and have a look at the playlists. And here's 2 videos you may want to check out.